Arranging multiple workbooks. When seeing our workbooks, another tool that is very convenient is the ability to view multiple workbooks on the screen at one time. I may want to compare information between two worksheets, so I'd like to have them side by side. Microsoft Excel sanctions us to arrange worksheets or workbooks on the screen so that we could view things and compare them as necessary. Here, at first we will discuss about multiple spreadsheets that are open. As you can see here, I have two spreadsheets open, but we really can't see that. The other is hidden in the background. So let's go to the View menu on the ribbon and click Switch Windows. The Switch Windows button has customers' data and a sample. Here, I can toggle between these two workbooks. It allows us to view the two in the background. However, I'd like you to also note that if I'd like to, I can go to my sample workbook and minimize it. When I do that, my customer's data appears on the screen. Now look at the bottom, I have Sample. If I simply go to Sample, I can restore it through the menu or restore it on the tab by utilizing the Maximum button. Now back up to my sample workbook. If I go back to Switch Windows again and go back to Customer's Data, I now view the customer's data on the screen itself. Another way of viewing the workbooks side by side on the screen is by using Arrange All tab under View menu on the ribbon. Select Arrange All and notice it gives choices of tiled, horizontal, vertical and cascade. Here for now, I select vertical and click OK. See, my workbooks are side by side. So by using this feature, I can compare the information between two of them. I can also adjust them if I want. As you can see, the customer's data has quite a bit more detailed data. So I'm going to close up the sales part of the workbook, which is on the left of the screen, and then, in fact, adjusting customer's data workbook. Another thing is that notice I can also work individually with all the tools. For instance, as these are two separate workbooks, customer's data, and I can keep my sales to full size by using Zoom tab at the bottom. Any of the normal features of Excel work for this kind of arrangement of workbooks. We can also arrange these workbooks horizontally, like one is on the top and another one is at the bottom of the screen. You can have same features to maneuver the screen. You can zoom to 100%. It's just like the normal worksheet, but one's on top of the other. If I go back to Arrange All and select Tiled, it's going to actually proportionally space all the workbooks on the screen. If I have 4 workbooks open, I will have 4 tiled workbooks. As many as I have opened will be tiled as squares. There is also an option of Cascade, in which it lists each of the opened workbooks in the back. So I'm on Customer's Data, now I'm on Sample. But you notice that when I go to Sample, I have to go down to the bottom to get to the customer's data. It does not move customer's data to the top, so sometimes this can be a little bit problematic to work with. It's very convenient, however, when you want to view how many you have open or switch to one in specific. However, it's doing the same feature by going to Switch Windows. So we are able to switch windows, minimize one of our workbooks, and then go to the bottom of the screen to get it. We can arrange all of them according to our requirement for our convenience and make use of the features of Excel that are available to be productive.